Welcome back everyone. Hope you enjoyed the last video. So today we'll be quickly looking at how to recover your lost key from the Google console. It's a very self-explanatory video, so do watch. And yeah, if you do have any questions, do notify me. I'll be happy to help.
Fantastic. So, hope you grabbed yourself a coffee or water to keep yourself hydrated. If you like the video so far, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do have any questions, you can just drop me a message on Discord. I'll be happy to help you. Basically, let's work together and make magic happen.
Excellent work, everyone. So, I don't know if you've had a opportunity to fish around, but you can actually notice that a lot of the process of, recovering your key is a little bit outdated when you compare and contrast that to other YouTube videos. So mine is the most up to date. It's just that some of their stages does not provide the full uh, overview of what to expect, what to do, and how to execute, and then how to recover your key successfully by changing it with a new one.